police officer that shot and killed Tamir Rice is now working for a police department in West Virginia. Timothy Lohman fatally shot and killed 12-year-old Tamir Rice in 2014. Now, Lohman is a police officer on the White Sulphur Springs Police Force in West Virginia. Lohman wasn't charged in relation to the shooting and was cleared by a grand jury, but ultimately he lost his job with Cleveland Police for lying on his application. Attorneys for Tamir Rice's family releasing a statement saying in part, quote, "Every time Lohman resurfaces in his game of bad cop whack-a-mole, he torments the family of Tamir Rice," end quote. Rice would have turned 22 just a couple of days ago on June 25th.